Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mrs. English Flow channel. I'm Lily.
And I'm David. It's great to have you with us today.
Today, we have a very useful topic for English learners.
Yes, we're going to talk about 100 essential English phrases you can use in real life.
David, why are these phrases so important?
Good question, Lily. Because native speakers don't always use complicated sentences. They use short, natural phrases every day.
That's true. If learners know these phrases, they can speak more confidently in daily situations.
Exactly. Let's start with greetings.
So, David, what's the first common phrase?
The most basic one is, hello, how are you?
Simple, but very powerful. What else do we say when meeting someone?
We can say, nice to meet you, or it's good to see you.
And if it's a casual situation?
Then we can use how's it going, or what's up.
Great! Now let's move to daily conversations.
Okay, Lily, imagine you're talking to a friend. What do you ask?
Maybe, what are you doing?
Perfect. And a natural answer would be, I'm just relaxing.
What if I don't understand something?
You can say, I don't understand, or can you repeat that?
Very useful phrases for beginners. Let's talk about polite expressions now.
Yes, this is very important. For example, please and thank you.
And excuse me when you want to get attention.
Also, I'm sorry if you make a mistake.
These small words make your English sound more polite and natural.
Now, Lily, let's imagine a travel situation.
Okay, I'm in a new city. What do I say?
You can ask, where's the airport? Or, how can I get there?
And if I'm lost?
Just say, I'm lost. Can you show me the way?
Very helpful. What about shopping situations?
You can ask, how much does it cost? Or, do you have this in size M?
And if it's expensive?
You can say, that's too expensive.
Simple and practical.
Lily, I think the main idea is clear.
Yes, these phrases help in every situation. Daily life, travel, shopping, and more.
If learners practice them every day, their English will improve quickly.
And they will sound more natural, like native speakers.
That's all for today's episode of Mrs. English Flow Channel.
We hope you enjoyed learning these useful English phrases with us.
Don't forget to practice them in real life.
See you in the next episode. Bye!